On this page, you're going to find 4 Microsoft Excel classes. There's the beginner class, there's the intermediate class, there's the advanced class, and then there's the comprehensive class, which includes all of the material from the 3 other classes. My name's Todd McLeod, and I'm a Microsoft Certified Master Instructor. I've been teaching Microsoft Excel for the last 20 years, that's 2 decades, and I've taught individuals of all ability levels how to use Microsoft Excel. So I know with great confidence that I'm going to be able to teach you. Take a look at the student reviews down below and then jump into the class which is right for you, and I look forward to seeing you in class.